Hi everyone, I'm Gaurav from Techie Offers and we made this video for the people who are searching for Jasper free trial. So if you are someone who just want to know how to get access of Jasper free trial, so in this video we will include all the details that you need to know about Jasper AI free trial. So first let's discuss how many days free trial you will get during your trial period. So right now Jasper offers 7-day free trial, but if there is any special discount we will mention in the link. So before you start a free trial, you have to choose a plan and you can choose creator plan or pro plan. So you can simply compare the features of these plan and choose the plan according to your need. Like if you need this plan only for a single user, you can go with that, and if you want a plan for a team, then you can go with that plan. And here you will get some limited features, and here you get some extra features like instant campaign and collaboration and user management. Like you get all these features, and also it includes these type of features. So if you have a team that want to use your Jasper, I will recommend you should go with the pro plan. Now let's talk about how you can start your free trial. So you can simply choose any of these plan. Like we can start with the pro plan, so simply we click on this button. Now you have to create your account. Like you have to enter your email, first name, last name, or you can simply go with your Gmail. So here you have two options, you can choose any of these. After that you can simply click on continue with email. Now you have to confirm your email, so simply you can check your email box. There you will get a code, so simply you have to enter your code here and click on continue button. So once you confirm your email, here you have to enter the details like your industry, so you can simply add any industry, and the size of the company you can add, and if you want to any name of your workplace, so we will choose any, like we can simply use company 1. And here you can also enter your company detail, URL. I will enter a random company address. So yeah, now we have to choose the location, so we can simply go with the finance and click on submit button. Here you have also choose other details, so we'll go with other and click on submit. So once you enter all the details, now you can use your Jasper for free. Like here you can see all the features that you want to use, and you can start enjoying these features. So I hope this video helped you to get an idea about Jasper free trial, and if you found this video helpful, I genuinely request you to hit a like button. And also if you want free trials and discount on software tools, don't forget to subscribe Techie Offers.